See, I'm into GTS screen. Okay, this is completely for your understanding. I seriously do not know what you are trying to do. I don't have any idea of what you are doing. Okay, let me show you. First of all, I do not know what is the business partner which is available in the system. This is a demo system. Okay, it can happen in your case also. So what I do is I go into the table, and you should remember the tables for business partner, and that I cannot help you unless and until you remember that I cannot help you. These are all technical names. You cannot understand with this. So it is better you change it to functional names which will be easy for you. So what you have to go to is settings, user parameters, in this field label. So here you will come to know what are the names which are available. And maximum number of it shows 500. That should be okay. Just execute it. Okay. This is the external partner number and this is the partner ID for which it is there. Okay, now let's say I don't want partner numbers like this. I want something with legal unit. Okay, which is of I want to understand whether it is a legal unit or it is what is it called, FTO, like that. So I want something like that. So what I do is I do not know whether it will be there or not. So I assume there will be something with LU. So I give LU star. That means anything starting with LU star I will get. Now let me execute it. See, these are the LU star things which I got. Okay. Now I randomly select one thing. Okay, let's see, I am selecting this LU underscore DE93. So now I go into here. In this business partner, I paste, I give click on start, and this is the plant. Now I have to go to change mode. Right now it is in display mode. Whenever you go into any transaction, you go over here, it is showing data browser, data table, okay, heading. Here it shows display organization. So now I want to change it. So now let me go to switch to change mode. Now change organization is there. That is where I will be able to edit these fields. If it is in display, you will not be able to edit anything. Only in change mode you will be able to do any changes. Okay. Now what is this? This is the legal unit. So I prefer to select SLL SIT, which means that is for legal unit. SLL FTO is for FTO, foreign trade organization. You should remember that. Now in your case, you say that the title was empty, the name is here, so I pasted here. Okay, first of all, what is the title? First of all, you need to name what is the title. If my name is X, okay, or let me say my name is some Modi, okay. If my name is Modi, what is my title? So the title will be like either any profession I am there, I will be called with that title. So let's say if I'm a doctor, I'll be called as a doctor. Or if I'm a normal person, then if I'm a male, I'll be called as Mr. If I'm a female, I'll be called as a Mrs. If I'm married. If I'm a male, but if I'm not married or if I'm below 18, I'll be called as Master. And if I'm unmarried as a female, then it is Miss. And if it is a company, then I should call it as a company. If it is something else, I have to call it as something else. I cannot go and copy this and paste it here. Title has to be either empty or from the drop down you have to choose either of the things. It is not possible for you to copy this and paste it over here. And please understand, this is demo system, okay, but in your what to say, project wise systems, if you are going to do any changes in production, that has to come from development and then to quality and then to production. Though this is a master data, you can directly make changes in production also, but there will not be any sync between development, quality and production if you are doing any testing. The business will be in the thought process that whatever is there in production should be there in quality. So whatever issue you are facing in production, you should face the same issue in quality. But as this master data difference is there, you will not be able to make any testing progress at all. So whenever you wanted to do any changes in production, first do it in development, and then again log into quality, do the changes in quality, and then again log into production, do the changes in production. This applies only for master data. If in case of any configurational data, you have to do the changes in development, move the changes from development to quality and from quality to production. This has to be done. Okay, and if at all you wanted to make any changes in this production system, firstly don't do it, get a mail confirmation, do it in development box, show the screenshot to the necessary business folks, get it signed off, and then do it in quality system, get it signed off, and do the testing as well. If there is any invoice or any document wherein this particular business partner address to come, and if that business partner address was not populating correctly before, and that is why they have asked you to do any changes here, then that means you have to test it in quality. Only if you test it in quality, then it is possible to move forward. Clear? So please do this.